Aloha and welcome to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges. My name is Aunty Lei and I'm the site coordinator at Waikea Intermediate. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. We are After School All-Stars Hawaii on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In today's video, we'll be doing a DIY hand sanitizer. With everything going on, we just want to say that we've been listening to your video ideas and we have had a few requests to do a hand sanitizer video. You can also add in essential oils. Here's what you'll need for today's activity. Isopropyl alcohol, at least 90%, aloe vera gel, any brand will do, and an empty spray bottle or an old hand sanitizer squeeze bottle, similar to the traveling like shampoo or conditioner that you get at the hotel. Just be sure to rinse it well. Other things that you will need today is a mixing bowl and a measuring cup, something to mix with, and either a funnel or a measuring device like a measuring cup with a spout. Before we get started, I do want to point out that the best way to get rid of germs on your hands is to wash it with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before rinsing. Here at After School All-Stars Hawaii, we are committed to staying safe, practicing social distancing, and good hygiene. The key to making an effective germ-busting hand sanitizer is to keep a 2-to-1 proportion of alcohol to aloe. This keeps the content at least 60%. This is the minimum amount needed according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC. Remember, the proportion is 2-to-1 for any measurement. Today, I'm going to be using a half cup measurement. Whatever you have at home, just make sure that you're going to do 2 parts alcohol and 1 part aloe. Here, I am pouring in 2 parts of the alcohol. Now I am squeezing 1 part of the aloe into the same measuring cup, which is a half cup. Now take your aloe and add it to the alcohol. This is where you can also add in essential oils if you wish. Then start mixing. After mixing your alcohol, aloe, and essential oils, if you do not have a funnel at home, please pour it into a cup or bowl with a spout. After mixing well, you want to take your hand sanitizer and immediately put it in a reusable squirt bottle or spray bottle. Here's my finished product. I have some hand sanitizer in a spray bottle. I also have it here in this squirt bottle that you can keep at home or in your car, in your purse, anywhere that you are on the go and you don't have water and soap available. Thanks for watching and being a part of our All-Star Ohana. Please share this video and comment what you like and what you would like to see next. Please continue to be safe out there. Aloha.